Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. A company wants a customized assessment of its current on-premises environment. The company wants to understand its projected running costs in the AWS cloud. Which AWS service or tool will meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option B, Amazon Inspector. Option C, AWS Control Tower. Option D, Migration Evaluator. The answer is option D. Migration Evaluator provides the necessary insights to assess the current on-premises environment and project the running costs in the AWS cloud. It is a migration assessment service that helps organizations build a data-driven business case for migrating to AWS, making it well-suited for the company's requirements. Question 2. A company wants to improve its security posture by reviewing user activity through API calls. Which AWS service will meet this requirement? Option A, AWS WAF. Option B, Amazon Detective. Option C, Amazon CloudWatch. Option D, AWS CloudTrail. The answer is option D. To improve its security posture by reviewing user activity through API calls, AWS CloudTrail is the appropriate service. AWS CloudTrail records and logs AWS API calls made in the account, providing a history of activity in the AWS environment. It enables security analysis, tracking changes, compliance auditing, and troubleshooting by capturing detailed information about every API call, including the identity of the API caller, the time, the source IP address, etc. Question 3. Which AWS service provides on-premises applications with low latency access to data that is stored in the AWS cloud? Option A, Amazon CloudFront. Option B, AWS Storage Gateway. Option C, AWS Backup. Option D, AWS DataSync. The answer is option B. AWS Storage Gateway provides on-premises applications with low latency access to data stored in the AWS cloud. This service is specifically designed for this purpose, integrating seamlessly and securely with on-premises environments in AWS cloud storage resources. The other options do not offer the same combination of low latency access and on-premises application support. Question 4. Which AWS service uses AWS Compute Optimizer to provide sizing recommendations based on workload metrics? Option A, Amazon EC2. Option B, Amazon RDS. Option C, Amazon Lightsail. Option D, AWS Step Functions. The answer is option A. AWS Compute Optimizer provides sizing recommendations based on workload metrics to ensure optimal performance and cost efficiency. It specifically focuses on Amazon EC2 instances, analyzing historical usage data to suggest the best instance types and sizes for your workloads. Question 5. A company is hosting a web application on Amazon EC2 instances. The company wants to implement custom conditions to filter and control inbound web traffic. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Option A, Amazon GuardDuty. Option B, AWS WAF. Option C, Amazon Machu. Option D, AWS Shield. The answer is option B. To implement custom conditions to filter and control inbound web traffic, AWS WAF is the most suitable service. AWS WAF allows you to create custom rules to block specific attack patterns or filter web traffic based on conditions you define, such as IP addresses, HTTP headers, HTTP body, or URI strings. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.